So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens, and you guys, in this video I'm working again with Modelones. Thank you so much Modelones for working with me in this video, and I'm going to use some gel polish to make your own custom acrylic. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. But before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media, show me some love, and then come back and let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply a thin layer of clear acrylic on the nail bed. I have already prepped the nails, got the old acrylic off, prepped the nails, got that excess cuticles off. So, and now I'm applying, and oh, I've also applied 2 coats of my super bond, and now I'm applying a thin layer of clear acrylic, and this is to prevent any staining or lifting because we are going to work with a really dark and pigmented color. So that's pretty important to do before you apply the acrylic. And I'm going to use this gel polish from Modelones. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. I got this color from a nail kit, a gel polish kit that I've got from them, and I'm using their monomer, and I'm just like putting some gel polish in there, and enough. You can start applying the gel polish in sections and just stir and watch to see if you have enough and if you want it darker. So if you want it darker, you can always put some more gel polish, but if you want it lighter, you will just have to use more monomer, but you don't want to waste too much monomer, so you can always apply more if you want to. So do it in sections and stir and make a swatch so you can see if the color turns, if you like that color. And I'm just stirring it with a brush, a small brush that I have, and I'm just stirring, and make sure you stir properly. And the color, I didn't like it, so I'm now applying some more a lot more gel polish, because I'm just dipping the monomer with my brush into clear acrylic, also from Modelones. So it was a little bit too clear for me, a little bit too light, so that's why I've applied a lot more monomer. If you use white, it will be more opaque, but I wanted to use some clear acrylic because I wanted that look like clear-ish kind of look. So it's also very opaque now that I've applied more gel polish. So just apply as much as you want of the gel polish as the time that you're just happy with the color. And now I'm applying the acrylic all over the entire nail, on all the 10 nails. And as you guys know, I like to apply it as close as I can to the cuticle area. I have a video on how to do that, but I will put the link for you guys on how to apply acrylic as close to the cuticle as possible in the description box below. And I'm just applying it all over the nail, and I'm not going to encapsulate this nail because it's already clear acrylic basically, so it dries really well. I'm sorry. It dries really well, so I'm not going to apply some more clear acrylic over the nails. So yeah, you guys, and I have to say I really like this method. You can make all of the colors that you want with your gel polishes, but sometimes you just have some colors in gel polish that you don't have in acrylic, or it's not easy to find in acrylic powder. So this is a really easy way to customize your colors. If you have it in like gel polish but not acrylic, you can just make it your own acrylic. So that's a pretty cool thing. The only thing that I don't like is that stains everything. Your brush will be just stained with the color. So after I was done applying the acrylic, I've just soaked my brush in some acetone for a while, so I could got the excess gel polish out. So that's the only thing, but I am going to do this one more time. One more time. I'm going to do this often because I really like this method. And yeah, you guys, so now I'm applying the acrylic, and I'm just going to keep doing that on all the 10 nails. So this is how the nails look after application, and now I'm using my medium bit grit to smooth down the nails and to shape the nails. And when I'm done using my medium grit bit, I'm using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. So now I'm using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area, and next I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape, and I'm going to buff the nails when I'm done. And yeah, you will just see that in a second, but before I let you guys watch this video in peace without talking. If you're still watching, let me know by commenting a red-hearted emoji in the comment section below so I know that you're still here. And if you are still here but not subscribed yet, go on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and also turn on the post notification bell so you are the first one to know when I post the next time. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language Papiamento will be kara, and kara means red. Or did I already teach you guys kara? Let me know in the comment section below if I've already teach you guys today teach you guys the word kara. Let me know. I just can't remember. I think I have to write these down. And I hope that you guys are having a nice Sunday. Here it's already evening, and yeah, just enjoy of your beautiful Sunday. So I've buffed and cleaned the nails with some alcohol, and now I'm using my gel, rubber gel from the gel bottle. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below to apply some crystals, and I'm just going to do that. And before applying gel top coat on the other nails, I'm flash curing this nail first so the crystals won't move. And I have a small little lamp from Modelones that I use for flash curing. It's so easy and small, so you can flash cure really easy with that little lamp. I will also put the link for you guys in the description box below. I've applied top coat from Modelones also on all the 10 nails, and you guys look at this color, look at the shine. Pretty. I just love it. It's simple, but it's always for the fall season. Love it, you guys. Let me know what you think of this method of making your own acrylic using some gel polish. Let me know in the description box, I mean in the comment section below. Let me know what you would like to see in my next videos. And also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.